Hello everybody, CJ Compton here at Sumpter Road. Here in Belleville, Michigan, we have a train coming. Check it out, roll it. This is a westbound train. This is the Norfolk Southern 181. About that last video, I was wrong. It was not the Norfolk Southern 189. Or not the 189, the 359, my bad. I can't even talk for some reason. I mean, I can, but I can't even say something right at times. Oh, but here we go, roll it. Anyway, here it comes, roll it. Oh, really? I got that on video. Did I ever mention in any one of my videos about how impatient most people are about waiting for trains? Because like you saw, there was I wouldn't say there was a runner because the gates were already down, but someone decided to go around the gates before before that train went through here. Anyway, the symbol on that train is the Norfolk Southern 181. And the 181 starts out in Detroit, Michigan, heads west all the way to Kansas City, Missouri, where it terminates. And there was also someone that went around the gates before the train went through. Well, like I said, I got that on video as well. Anyway, on this Saturday, November 22nd of 2025, from CJ Compton on YouTube. And the CP holiday train is getting closer and closer. Well, not really. The current time is 3:09 p.m. It is scheduled to be going through here at 10:15 p.m. So it will be here before you know it. Anyway, I guess that's it. So to roll it, I hope you all enjoyed, and that is it.